This is our John Deere commercial or industrial JD 401-C loader tractor with a front end loader. It functions as it should. Brakes could use bled the way it acts. I pump the brakes and I've got some there, but don't necessarily have some in between. It's a little lean on the brakes. But other than that, it's got 3-point hitch, PTO. The two fenders, as you can see, they are rusted through. Not to hide anything here, but the rest of the tractor, like I said, with the exception of that, functions as it's supposed to for the most part. Can't promise everything is perfect, but like I said, we used it to level some dirt out here and move some items around, and functioned just fine. So we'll get on and start it up. This has a twin battery in it. It's 12 volt. A twin battery for extra starting power. Keys on. This is diesel. 2 speed ranges. 1 through 8. And it's got shuttle shift right here. So it does function just like it should. Takes a second or two. The foot pedal throttle is showing 3,000 hours. I'm not sure if that's correct or not. I'll let it warm up just a hair here. More gas. Way up, push outward, spark the dumps, back down. Again, as I said, if I pump the brakes, I've got brakes. I just go straight to the brake pedal. It's a little spongy. Excuse me. Pedal shift forward. Oops. Right up with the loader, so it's got plenty of down pressure. Reverse. Like a 7-3 out quick. See, it runs and functions as it should. Lights up easily. This will be coming up, closing on auction this weekend. Again, I think it's the 27th of July, which is Sunday night, 2025 at 6 p.m. I believe. You go to www.town-countryauction.com. Again, www.town-countryauctions.com. Yeah, we'll put the loader down. Level off. Now the water can't sit in there. And shut it off. Again, don't miss out this weekend. July 27th at 6 p.m. at town-countryauctions.com.